Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, October 13th. We saw quite a bit of rain this weekend across the Wallops region, seeing about 2.2 inches of rain, mainly on Sunday and Monday. This morning, we're seeing some low clouds across the region. Ceilings have been below 500 feet at times. We'll continue to see these low clouds as we go throughout the day today, starting to see a little bit of sunshine once we get towards the late morning and into the afternoon, and then things will clear out as we go into later tonight, seeing mostly sunny skies for tomorrow. Taking a look at our current surface analysis across the region, we do have this weak low that brought us that rain over the weekend, starting to move out. It is currently northeast of the Delmarva, still getting some moist boundary layer conditions and just a little bit of dynamics from this low helping to give us these low clouds this morning. But we will be seeing some drier air move in as we go into tonight. Going to be seeing this weak cold front move across the area, but that's going to really fall apart once it approaches us. And the main story is going to be seeing some drier air associated with this high pressure building into the region as we go into tomorrow. Take a quick look at our satellite across the region. There you see abundant low clouds pretty much across the entire mid-Atlantic. These will be slow to clear out of the area. Still seeing low clouds broken to overcast through the early afternoon and then getting some more sunshine in the mid-afternoon hours. And then we'll see things start to clear up once we get into tonight, especially past midnight. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we're seeing northwesterly winds at the surface. Just above the surface, those winds are turning more west northwesterly, only around 10 to 15 knots through about 12,000 feet. Then seeing those winds shift southwesterly about 20 knots through 20,000 feet, and then remaining zonal at the 25,000 foot level at 30 to 35 knots. Seeing our freezing level this morning just below 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we're going to be looking at a high of 71 degrees for this afternoon. Might get a little bit warmer if we see these clouds clear out a little bit quicker than expected, but otherwise these clouds are going to help to keep things a bit cool out there. But Going to be seeing those northwesterly winds start to pick up as we go towards the late morning hours, becoming 8 to 13 knots, then 8 to 13 knots and slightly gusty for the afternoon hours, and then seeing northwesterly winds around 7 to 12 knots for the overnight hours as we see that high pressure building in, and seeing a very seasonable low tomorrow morning of 73 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing those skies remain overcast to broken between 500 to 700 feet throughout the remainder of the morning hours. Then seeing those ceilings around 2,500 feet for the afternoon, possibly coming down to 2,000 feet at times as we get towards the mid-afternoon hours. And then once we get towards this evening, we'll see things start to clear up a bit, becoming a few at 1,500, scattered at 3,500 as we approach midnight, and then only seeing a few clouds near 2,500 feet after midnight with clear skies at times, and then seeing clear skies by mid-morning tomorrow with just a few clouds near 25,000 feet. We are seeing tides 1/2 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Take a quick look at our long-range weather model to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing as we go throughout the week. Here's this afternoon, we're seeing that low continue to move off to the northeast as we have high pressure building in, which will help to clear out these clouds as we go into tonight. As we go into tomorrow, we'll see high pressure build in the area, and that's going to really build right across the mid-Atlantic and even across much of the eastern half of the country. That's going to help to keep those skies clear, giving us a beautiful sunny day as we go into tomorrow. Clear skies should continue as we go into Thursday, as well as high pressure will still be in the vicinity just slightly to the east of us. And then by Thursday afternoon, we'll start to see some southerly flow return across the area, helping to usher in a little bit more moisture in advance of our next cold front. Our next cold front will be approaching the area as we go into Thursday night and Friday morning. We'll start to see shower chances around midday Friday, and as that cold front approaches the region. Can't rule out a thunderstorm at this point, as we're seeing some pretty good dynamics since there's some good cold air behind there, so giving us some good gradient for the possibility of some heavier showers as well, especially as we go into Friday evening and Friday night. Rain looks likely as we go into Friday evening and persisting throughout Friday night, and then this front should be moved out of here by the time we get into 8 a.m. or so Saturday morning, as we have another area of high pressure building in for the weekend. That'll help to dry things out, keep things a little cool as well, and then high pressure will be remaining in control as we go throughout the weekend, this upcoming weekend. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be cloudy today with a high of 71. Low of around 53 tonight. Looking at a high of 72 tomorrow under mostly sunny to sunny skies. We'll see southerly flow return on Thursday, giving us some partly cloudy skies, also helping to bump those temperatures up back into the mid 70s. Friday, we'll see that cold front approach the area. Really going to depend on how much sun we get on Friday to determine our temperature and if that cold front is a little slower or faster. But right now, going with a high of 72, we'll see that low become much more mild as we'll have some more that southerly flow ramping up a bit, and also seeing things become more humid once again for Friday in advance of that cold front. Behind that cold front, though, once that rain moves out of here by Saturday morning, we'll see those temperatures drop for Saturday, only looking at a high of 62 with a chilly low of 48. Sunday, going to see that low into the mid 40s for the morning, and then a high of 68 in the afternoon and partly cloudy skies. And then Monday, we'll see some clouds return to the area, seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies with a very seasonable high of 72 and a low of 55. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.